What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Christine. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. This is my very first BoxyCharm Luxe box. I think they have like 3 different sizes or versions now, so I'm not really sure, but I just recently upgraded my box because I keep telling myself I've been doing BoxyCharm for like the last, I don't know, 6 months or maybe even longer. No, it's been since the beginning of the year. And I've been loving everything that I've been getting in just a regular BoxyCharm monthly box. So I've been meaning to upgrade it and I keep forgetting, and then I keep regretting it whenever I see what's in like the BoxyLuxe upgraded version, the full-size items. So I finally did it and it came just in time for the holidays. Not that this has anything to do with the holidays, but it almost feels like Christmas for me because I'm so excited to see what is inside. So I wasn't planning on recording this video, of course, like, you know, hence the hair is just kind of like meh, and my makeup is like meh. So whatever, no big deal. So then I went, it was too big to fit in the mailbox, and so they dropped it off at my front door. I went to cut open the box and then I realized, oh my goodness, I need to record this. So that's what we're doing today. So let's see what's inside. Okay, I really am really excited because it's huge. Okay, so first we have, let's see, a pretty paper, so gorgeous. It says BoxyCharm Whimsy. And there's a lot of different things listed on here. I'm sure this is everything that's in the box. And they also list out like the full price items. So, or not the full price items, but like the prices for each item. So let's see what this is all about. I don't know why I'm so excited. Holy moly cannoli. Okay, this is IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is a full-size version and it's huge. I want to see what it smells like. Can't smell it. Why am I making weird noises? Okay, not too bad. Smells good. Smells clean, not too strong. I do like that. It's not too strong. It smells a little bit like a hairspray, but I am excited to see how this works. I have no idea, but lately my hair has been all the oils. I'm not quite sure what's going on. But yeah, this will come in handy. So, and my husband likes to use dry shampoo from time to time too. So let's see if he likes it. But this is exciting. It's huge. So excited. Okay. This is another full-size item. Let's see. I don't know what this is. Rituals. The Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Oh, this is a sensational foaming shower gel. Okay. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good. I'm like sticking it right up in my nose. It smells like, kind of like not too feminine. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like floral. It has like a floral essence, but then kind of smells like a men's aftershave. I don't know. But I am excited to try this. Oh my gosh, but this bottle is very intimidating. Like, this is not your average shampoo bottle. Usually shampoo bottles come in like a plastic little thing. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? A plastic bottle, duh. But this is like a legit metal tin hairspray style bottle. So I'm excited to see what this will do for me. I'm gonna have to read more on that, but it's a full-size bottle. Okay, so we have everything is like really nicely packaged in the box here. So it's so exciting. Oh my gosh, why didn't I do this earlier? I'm already excited just like looking into the box and seeing like, holy moly cow, this is huge. Okay, so we have the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Oh my gosh, like when I see this, I see my mother. Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I think my mom would love this. So this is for fine lines and wrinkles. Some other stuff, soothes, nourishes, and smooths. So this is anti-aging. Let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh. Oh my god, oh my gosh, I think I know what this is. I've seen this. It's been all the rage. Look at this cute little bottle. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I'm so, I would so use this, but, oh, and it smells just like rose. I would so use this, but I think my mother would love it even more, my mommy. She would love it and enjoy it even more, so I think I might just give this to her because she's bougie like that. So I think she'll love this. So I'm going to probably give this to my mom when she comes to visit, which is going to be very soon, in just a couple of days. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, so we have that. That right there is worth the money. All right, we have a Ciate marbled light. So this is an illuminating blusher. And the packaging, guys, so cute. All right, let's see. Ooh, that is super cute. Oh my god. Okay, being a little bit dramatic, but look at how gorgina this is. Like, oh my goodness. Oh yes, there we go. Oh my gosh, I mean, I don't know why I smelled it or sniffed it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let's see. Okay, it's so gorgeous, but like super duper light. My skin is so dry. Yeah, you can't even hardly see the swatch, so I wonder how this is gonna look like on the skin, but it is so pretty. Yeah, you really can't even tell, like you can't even see it, so no biggie, but still really cute. I like the packaging. I'm a packaging type of gal. Okay, next we have, ooh, I've never heard of this, QMS Cosmetics. It's a lip line corrector lip serum. Interesting. Well, it's a lip serum, but it looks like a lotion. Oh my goodness, I almost broke it. I think, it's a twist top. So I'm guessing this is like for your lip because it's a lip serum, but it doesn't really give you instructions on how to use it. I'm sure it's in that little paper, so informative paper. So I'm gonna have to read up on this, but this bottle is huge. Like, I mean, for my lips, this is huge. And it looks like a moisturizer, but I'm excited to see what this is for. Let's see. QMS lip line corrector. Okay, so it is it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Girl, did you see that? Yeah, your upper lip, just kidding. Okay, so it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. I get it. The high performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Guess how much this little thing, well, I said it was huge before, but now that I see the price, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm not even being dramatic, guys. This thing is $200. Look. I don't even know if it's gonna show. $200. This thing alone was worth the entire box. I mean, I paid like 50 bucks for this box. $200? Holy moly. I don't even want to like squeeze it right now, the tube, to smell it. I mean, $200? Holy cow. Have I been living under a rock, or have you guys ever heard of that brand? Holy cow. Okay, moving on. Oh my gosh, this is a Too Faced Melted Matte Talc Lipstick, or matte talc, but it's a liquefied matte lipstick from Too Faced, and it's called I Wanna Rock With You. Legit, I almost bought my mom one of these for Christmas because I really love Too Faced They're like liquid lipsticks, and they're long lasting. I think this one is too. Oh, it doesn't say. No, it doesn't say, but they have other liquid lipsticks that are like long lasting, and you could like, ooh, oh my gosh. You can eat food and everything, and it just like it won't come off. It's like all day wear. So I really like that, but this color is beautiful. Look at that. Oh yes, yes. I know, I feel like this is something I should give to my mom too, but I kind of like it, Mom. Maybe I should just buy my mom her own box or subscribe her to her own box. That is a gorgeous color. Okay, so we have Kat Von D's waterproof liquid eyeliner. Your girl loves some liquid eyeliner. Oh, this is called Dagger, so I'm sure it's a black color. I'm pretty sure. It doesn't say what color, but oh yes, Trooper Black. Ooh, waterproof. I'm excited to try that out. So this is Kat Von D's. Oh my gosh, there's even, oh, there's like a little angle, like, oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the tip. No, I doubt it. Okay, I just swapped it on my hand. It's like a really, like, not the best swatch in the world, but nice, nice. It smells a little bit like a marker. I don't know why I have to like sniff everything or smell everything. Oh my gosh, so the tip has like, the lid has like a little retractable, like on the inside it's retractable. It's like a little, I don't know, retractable lid. So I guess that's to help like seal in the tip so that like air doesn't get into it. That's pretty neat. I think that's what it's for, at least. I mean, why else would you make a retractable lid, right? I don't know. It's gotta be for a reason. Okay, I'm a little bit sad. We're coming to the last two products here, but girl, this is, oh, I don't know if you can see, it's like so bright. Oh my god, yeah, it's way too bright. This is a Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, okay? Full-size cleanser. I have been on the hunt for a brand new cleanser. I'm so into just like your normal drugstore cleanser. I have been trying a couple of different ones. I usually always like just gravitate towards the Neutrogena, but this is huge. And I believe I've used this one before. Let me smell it. Maybe I'll be able to tell by the smell. Oh wait, no, you have to open it. Yeah, you have to open it, but this is huge. I'm excited. Oh, it smells like cucumber. Maybe I have tried this one. I've tried a couple of their facial cleansers. Cucumber or rose for all skin types. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a daily cleanser, so I'm excited to have this because I love washing my face because I wear makeup, so I need to wash my face and keep it clean. Okay, oh, this last one is so cute. Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics, and it's Little Briar Rose. I love me some Disney and some princess. Of course, this is not Disney. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh, this is not. Let's look at those colors. So cute. So cute. Yeah, I'm like scared to swatch it, but it is so cute. Oh my gosh, this little pink color here. Oh my gosh, these colors are gorgeous. I really like the little burgundy colors. I don't know if I've used the blue ones. There was a time in my life when I would have done like blue eyeshadow, green eyeshadow. I'm sure most people did when that time was in, but now it's not. But, you know, it doesn't hurt to play around with your makeup a little bit still. So cute. So cute. I'm excited. I love me a good eyeshadow palette. Your girl loves eyeshadows. Actually, I love all makeup. All right, so that's it. My box is empty now. There's nothing left, but holy cow. I think the hair products alone, awesome, great deal. This little QMS like $200 bottle, still shook. I'm still shook. And this thing is so cute too. I think these retail for like $50. I've seen them on Ulta. This is Storybook Cosmetics. That is the brand. All right, so thank you guys so much for joining me in this unboxing. That was my legit reaction. So excited. Usually like a bottle like this, I would I would test it on my skin, but because it's $200, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for the perfect time. Just kidding. I don't know when I'm going to use it. Maybe at night. Maybe when I do a little bit more research. So I get like, do you use it in the morning? Do you use it at night? We'll see. But it was really exciting for my very first box. I mean, so worth the money. I'm kind of regretting not doing it earlier, which I already mentioned, but I really like everything. And because I paid for these items, one thing that I'm really bad at is using different products and like trying out different things. So I have been doing that with all of my little, just the mini versions or the normal size BoxyCharm boxes lately. So I have been like on it with trying new products. My skin is changing for whatever reason. So I'm excited to try all of these things out. Like I mentioned, I'll probably be giving a couple of them to my mom just because she loves beauty as much as I do. So she'll be getting one or two things from the box. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.